Hi, I'm Johnny with onlinelabels.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make custom label and sticker shapes. When you're choosing the right label for your business, craft, or an event, having the right shape matters. Going with a unique shape can improve brand recognition and help your item stand out. In this video, we'll go over how to create custom label shapes for your project. Let's get into it. While hand cutting your labels can be time consuming and tedious, it can give you flexibility and is the least expensive option. If you decide to hand cut your own labels, we recommend you go with our full sheet labels with back slits. The back slits allow for easy peeling after you cut them. You can check out the link in the description below for more details about our full sheet label options. For professional cuts, you can use an electronic cutting machine like a Silhouette Cameo or Cricut. These allow you to specify where to make your cuts, what shapes, and how thick you want your cuts to be. With cutting machines, you have tons of options from precise lines that are perfect for lettering to intricate shapes, borders, and more. Of course, the biggest benefit to using an electronic cutting machine is the ability to kiss cut your stickers. Kiss cut refers to the ability to cut only the sticker part of your label, allowing you to have a completely intact and totally custom sticker sheet. For these cutting machines, you'll want to use our sticker paper without back slits in the liner. The backing of our sticker paper is uncut, which means you won't have any unplanned peeling that can ruin your project. You can find links to additional electronic cutting machine resources in the description of this video. Hole punches are an easy way to get a precise shape without an electronic cutting machine, or if you're not confident in the precision of your hand cutting. There are a variety of hole punch shape options, like flowers, hearts, circles, and more. Like hand cutting, we recommend using a full sheet label with back slits for a job like this that makes for easy peeling. If you know your project will require large quantities of a single sticker shape, hole punches are a great low-cost option. If you know you'll need a large number of your custom label size, you can order them directly from us. We can create almost any custom die configuration, giving you the flexibility to design almost any label you can think of. We hope this video helps you decide the best way to make your custom label shapes. Be sure to check out the description below for links to resources on all the methods mentioned above. And for more information on our full sheet labels and sticker paper, visit us at onlinelabels.com.